Time for Whether or Not, where we bring you the best in forecasts and funny. Here's one that's sure to leave some of you smiling. Why don't trees ever fight each other? Because they know how to branch out without losing their cool. Stay weather aware, and remember, whether it's sunny or stormy, we've got your back here on Whether or Not. Take care out there.
Folks in Kankakee, we've got a winter storm warning going on right now, so y'all need to pay attention. Dangerous travel conditions are expected due to heavy lake effect snow. We're talking about rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour, and some areas could see up to 10 inches by noon tomorrow. Here's what you need to know. This warning covers all of Kankakee County until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time on Monday. Untreated roads will be slick, especially bridges and overpasses, so avoid unnecessary travel if possible. If you must head out, give yourself extra time and drive slowly. Stay safe, y'all.
Good morning. This is Tempest with your extended weather outlook for November 9th, 2025. As we look ahead to midweek, there's an interesting weather system developing over California. An atmospheric river, which you can think of as a river in the sky carrying moisture from the Pacific Ocean, will likely reach parts of California by Wednesday or Thursday. This means that areas like northern and central California should be prepared for heavy rainfall, which could lead to some flooding concerns. Moving eastward, we're seeing a pattern where warmer temperatures are expected across much of the western United States as an upper ridge moves in from the west coast. However, this warmth won't last long because by midweek, a trough will start moving into the region, bringing cooler air and potentially more precipitation to areas like the Rockies and Plains over the weekend. In the Great Lakes and Northeast regions, we'll continue to see some lake effect snow as cold air moves over the relatively warmer waters of the lakes. This can lead to localized heavy snowfall in spots downwind from the lakes. As for predictability, while the overall pattern is fairly clear, there's still a bit of uncertainty about exactly how much rain will fall and where the heaviest amounts might be concentrated. That's the extended outlook. Check back for updates as we get closer.
Folks in Swain County, we've got a winter storm warning in effect starting at 7 p.m. tonight and lasting until 7 a.m. Tuesday morning. The high elevations are going to see some heavy snow, 3 to 7 inches expected, with up to 10 inches on the peaks of the Smokies. Now listen up, strong winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour will lead to blowing snow and reduced visibility, making roads impassable and possibly causing power outages. Here's what you need to know. Stay off the roads if possible, especially at higher elevations where conditions could be treacherous. Make sure your vehicles are stocked with supplies in case of a delay or emergency. And y'all, keep an eye on those tree limbs near power lines. They could fall under the weight of the snow and wind. Stay safe and warm, everyone. Folks in Lake and Porter counties, y'all better buckle up because we've got a winter storm warning until 6 p.m. Monday. Now listen closely. Dangerous travel conditions are expected due to intense lake effect snow. We're talking about rates over 3 inches per hour with accumulations of 8 to 12 inches and wind gusts over 30 miles per hour. Here's what you need to know. These heavy snowfall rates will cripple travel, especially near the Lake Michigan shoreline where visibility is going to be nearly zero. Strong winds will make it even tougher out there. So, y'all stay indoors if you can, and if you must hit the roads, give yourself extra time and drive slowly. Stay safe, everyone. Folks in Haynesboro and Kluquan, here's what you need to know. A winter storm warning is in effect right now until 3 p.m. Alaska Standard Time this Sunday. Heavy snow is expected, making travel very difficult on the Haines Highway. Now listen up, y'all. Near Haines Customs, we're looking at accumulations of 7 to 10 inches, while closer to sea level in Haines itself, it could be more like 3 to 7 inches. The storm will bring significant snowfall starting from midnight tonight, so if you need to travel, do it early. Be extra cautious on the roads and give yourself plenty of time. If you don't have to go out, stay put until conditions improve. Keep an eye on the weather updates and drive safely, everyone.
Attention, a new special weather statement has been issued.
Folks in Stark and the surrounding areas, we've got a winter storm warning going on right now, issued by our friends at National Weather Service Northern Indiana. Now listen up. This one's serious. Heavy lake effect snow is expected, with accumulations between 5 to 11 inches and winds gusting as high as 30 miles per hour. This warning covers Stark, Marshall, northern LaPorte, eastern St. Joseph, southern LaPorte, western St. Joseph, northern Berrien, and southern Berrien. The snow is expected from 11 a.m. today to 7 p.m. Monday, so travel could be very difficult. Y'all need to plan ahead for the commute, maybe leave earlier or stay home if you can. Remember, this warning expires at 3:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but conditions might still be tough after that. Stay safe and keep an eye on those weather updates. All right, folks, in Lake and Volusia, Florida, we're dealing with a continuing flood warning for the St. Johns River near Astor. The river is currently at 2.4 feet and expected to rise to 2.6 feet by Tuesday due to increasing northerly winds. This means minor flooding is happening now and will continue. Docks and boat ramps are already underwater, including South Moon Fish Camp and Blair's Jungle Den. Water is approaching sites closest to the river at Fishtails RV Resort and Astor Landing Campground. Parts of Clare Street, Fox Road, Acorn Hazelnut, and Redbud Roads are also covered with water. This warning will stay in effect until further notice, so please avoid those areas and be cautious near the riverbanks. Stay safe, everyone.
Winter storm warning in effect for western Greenbrier County until 7 a.m. Tuesday. Heavy snow expected, with accumulations between 3 to 6 inches and winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour. Slippery roads will make travel dangerous, especially during Monday's morning and evening commutes. Be cautious and allow extra time if you must drive. Gusty winds could also bring down tree branches, so stay indoors if possible and avoid areas with large trees. Keep updated on the latest conditions and plan accordingly to stay safe throughout this storm.
Folks in Door County, y'all better buckle up because we've got a winter storm warning going down right now. This is serious business. Expect heavy lake effect snow showers that could make for some slick roads and reduced visibility. Now listen closely. This warning is in effect until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time today, so plan your travels accordingly. Here's what you need to know. We're looking at between 4 and 7 inches of snow accumulation. That means slippery or snow-covered road conditions are a real threat, especially if you're heading out later. So take it slow, Give yourself extra time and stay safe out there. Folks in Southeast Webster, Northwest Pocahontas, and Southeast Randolph counties, here's what you need to know. A winter storm warning is in effect from 7 p.m. tonight until 7 a.m. Tuesday. We're looking at heavy mixed precipitation, with snow accumulations between 4 and 7 inches, and gusty winds up to 40 miles per hour could bring down tree branches. Now listen closely, y'all. Travel will be very difficult, so plan accordingly. This storm could really impact your Monday morning and evening commutes. Make sure you have a way to stay warm and safe if you need to venture out. Stay tuned for updates and keep those windows clear to see what's coming your way. Stay safe, everyone.
Here's your Ohio State forecast for November 9th, 2025. Up in the north around Cleveland, you're seeing some rain showers today with temperatures reaching up to 45 degrees. As night falls, there's a chance of both rain and snow showers, so keep an eye out as it cools down into the 30s. Heading into Monday, light snow is on the radar with highs only making it to around 38 degrees. Down in central Ohio, including Columbus, you're looking at some steady rain today with temperatures peaking at 51 degrees. Tonight, expect a mix of both rain and snow as we dip down into the low 30s. Monday will likely bring light snow showers, keeping things chilly around 37 degrees. Down in the south by Cincinnati, there's a chance of some light rain today with temperatures similar to Columbus at 51 degrees. As night falls, you can expect a mix of both rain and snow as we cool down into the low 20s. Come Monday, there will be a little bit of light snow as well, with highs around 36 degrees. Throughout Ohio, it's going to be quite chilly with a mix of precipitation, so make sure to bundle up and keep an umbrella handy if you're heading out today or tomorrow. Looking ahead for the rest of the week, we'll see some more cold fronts moving through, keeping temperatures on the lower side as we head into midweek. Thanks for tuning in. Stay weather aware and take care out there.
Folks in the municipality of Skagway, we've got a serious winter storm warning on our hands right now. The heavy snow is expected to really pile up along the Klondike Highway, with totals reaching 14 to 18 inches at higher elevations and 2 to 5 inches near sea level. This storm will stick around from midnight tonight until 6 p.m. Alaska Standard Time Sunday. Now listen closely, y'all. Travel will be very difficult during this time, so unless it's an emergency, stay put. Highways like the Klondike and Haines are going to see a lot of snow, making conditions treacherous. If you must venture out, make sure your vehicle is equipped for winter driving and let someone know where you're headed. Here's what you need to know. This storm could switch from snow to rain by Sunday afternoon as warmer air moves in. Keep an eye on the weather updates and stay safe, Skagway. Folks in Marquette and Alger counties, here's what you need to know. A winter storm warning is in effect right now until 7 p.m. Monday. We're looking at heavy lake effect snow. with accumulations between 2 and 6 inches, and up to a foot over western Alger County and the high terrain of Marquette County. Now listen, travel could be very difficult, so if you don't need to head out, stay put. If you must drive, give yourself extra time, especially for Monday's commute. 2 rounds of moderate to heavy snow showers are expected. One continues into this afternoon, and another is coming late tonight through midday Monday. Stay safe, y'all, and keep your eyes on the road if you're out there. We'll get through this together. Folks in the Cauca Smoky Mountains, Blount Smoky Mountains, and Sevier Smoky Mountains, we've got some serious winter weather headed your way. A winter storm warning is in effect from 7 p.m. tonight until 7 a.m. Tuesday. Now listen up, heavy snow is expected, with accumulations between 4 to 8 inches, but areas near Mount LeConte and Newfound Gap could see as much as 10 to 12 inches. The winds will be howling, too, gusting up to 40 miles per hour. Here's what you need to know. Travel is going to be very difficult, especially for your Monday morning and evening commutes. Make sure you've got plenty of supplies if you plan on staying put. If you must venture out, give yourself extra time and use caution on the roads. Stay tuned here for updates, and let's all stay safe out there.
Folks on Prince of Wales Island, a high winds warning is in effect until 9 a.m. Alaska Standard Time this morning. Southeast winds will blow at 20 to 30 miles per hour, with gusts up to 65 miles per hour. These strong winds can cause power outages and knock down trees, so stay indoors if possible. If you must travel, expect difficult conditions due to blowing debris and potential road closures. Secure all loose items outside to prevent damage. Stay tuned for updates and exercise caution until the warning expires this morning.
Folks in northern Cook and the surrounding areas, here's what you need to know. A winter storm warning is in effect from 9 p.m. tonight until noon Monday. Now listen up, this storm ain't playing around. Expect dangerous travel conditions due to intense lake-effect snow. We're talking about rates over 3 inches per hour and accumulations of 12 to 18 inches. Y'all need to stay off the roads if at all possible, especially during the Monday morning commute. Visibility will be greatly reduced with strong northerly wind gusts over 30 miles per hour, so driving conditions are going to be treacherous. And remember, lake-effect snow can vary a lot even within just a few miles, so keep an eye on your local conditions. This warning covers northern Cook, central Cook, southern Cook, and eastern Will counties. It all wraps up by 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, but until then, stay safe and indoors if you can. Keep those cell phones charged and have some supplies ready just in case. Stay tuned for more updates, folks. Folks in Kankakee, we've got a winter storm warning going on right now, so y'all need to pay attention. Dangerous travel conditions are expected due to heavy lake-effect snow. We're talking about rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour, and some areas could see up to 10 inches by noon tomorrow. Here's what you need to know. This warning covers all of Kankakee County until 1 p.m. Central Standard Time on Monday. Untreated roads will be slick, especially bridges and overpasses, so avoid unnecessary travel if possible. If you must head out, give yourself extra time and drive slowly. Stay safe, y'all.
Folks in Ketchikan Gateway Borough, a high winds warning is in effect until 9 a.m. Alaska Standard Time this morning. Expect southeast winds of 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts up to 70 miles per hour, especially at higher elevations. Secure any loose items outside and be cautious while traveling, as high winds can cause power outages and bring down trees. Stay indoors if possible and monitor the situation closely until the warning expires.
Folks, in Swain County, we've got a winter storm warning in effect starting at 7 p.m. tonight and lasting until 7 a.m. Tuesday morning. The high elevations are going to see some heavy snow, 3 to 7 inches expected, with up to 10 inches on the peaks of the Smokies. Now listen up, strong winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour will lead to blowing snow and reduced visibility, making roads impassable and possibly causing power outages. Here's what you need to know. Stay off the roads if possible, especially at higher elevations where conditions could be treacherous. Make sure your vehicles are stocked with supplies in case of a delay or emergency. And y'all, keep an eye on those tree limbs near power lines. They could fall under the weight of the snow and wind. Stay safe and warm, everyone.
Here's your Kentucky State forecast for November 9th, 2025. Starting in the north around Louisville, we're seeing a chance of rain showers today with temperatures reaching up to 49 degrees. As night falls, you might want to keep an eye out for some snow showers, and it'll feel much colder with lows dipping down to 26 degrees. Come Monday, those snow showers are likely to stick around, so make sure your boots are ready, and the temperature will hover around 37 degrees. Moving south a bit into central Kentucky, including Lexington, we've got similar conditions today with a chance of rain showers and highs reaching up to 52 degrees. Tonight, it's going to get interesting with a mix of rain and snow showers expected as temperatures drop to 25 degrees. Monday will bring more snow showers likely, and the mercury won't climb too high at around 34 degrees. Down in Bowling Green in southern Kentucky, you'll also see a chance of rain showers today, with highs reaching up to 48 degrees. As night rolls in, expect mostly cloudy skies with a chance for some snow showers, and temperatures will settle into the low 20s, specifically 25 degrees. Monday's forecast calls for a chance of more snow showers, with temperatures around 39 degrees. Over in eastern Kentucky, including Peakville, we're seeing a bit warmer conditions today with highs up to 58 degrees and a chance of rain showers. Tonight will bring a mix of rain and snow showers as the temperature drops to 30 degrees. Monday's outlook includes some snow showers again with temperatures around 35 degrees. It looks like everyone